Air conditioning repair. Several simple things to be aware of. Air conditioning repair may be needed if you get that your air conditioner is not cool anymore. There are various things that could cause the problems in your air conditioner. Subsequently, if you don't know what to do and avoid in making several mistakes, there are several simple and easy steps that you can take before you call the assistance from AC repair specialist. Furthermore, you still be allowed to make your AC equipment repairs on your own if you are assured that you can do that thing. However, you still have got to follow a few simple and easy steps to keep away from mistakes that could be damaged your air conditioning system. Doing an air conditioning repair isn't too hard to do as long as you understand well about the treatment. First off, you could check to see how much air is going through the system. If the flow is weak, there may be a problem with the blower or the duct system. Checking the condition of the blower unit, and if it's dirty, the blower might be spinning but not moving much air. The other thing that can intensely restrict the airflow is dirty filters and ducts. Find the filter and remove it and replace it with a clean one. This is another simple step in your repair that you could do on your own and costs very little. If everything looks clean, check the physical ducts to assure that they're all clear and connected. Besides all those easy steps that have been discussed above, there is still one thing that can cause a drop in cooling capacity. This is usually called the icing of the compressor. For many cases where the AC system has become damaged, you could do the repair on your own, or if you don't really know what to do, you could start to call for the help of the air conditioning repair specialist. Air conditioning repair. http://airconditioningsolution.com/air conditioning repair/air conditioning repair. What to do before you call someone is proven to be very effective in improving your comfort. For further information of air conditioning repair, visit the links on air conditioning repair, http://airconditioningsolution.com/. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Todd_u_Buster/415279